Retail experiences shape how customers connect with brands every day. From in-store engagement and e-commerce to supply chain fulfillment, inventory management, and customer service, retailers play a vital role in delivering seamless, memorable experiences. Behind these outcomes are teams responsible for designing, operating, and maintaining the systems that make it all work. For these teams to succeed, they must be aligned, agile, and focused on a shared, customer-centric mission. CDW helps retail organizations design and operate these systems through our SmartLab for Retail. The customer experience excels when technology operations and store teams come together with a shared purpose. When teams that support frontline branches understand the why behind the systems, how processes, decisions, and key technologies are interconnected, and when they participate in what many retail organizations have called the aha moment that reshaped how they serve their customers. This one-day, hands-on experience sparks new ideas, helps teams work better together, and gets leaders aligned to improve customer experiences, streamline operations, optimize inventory flow, and support omnichannel growth. Reach out to us today to schedule a SmartLab for your retail organization.